Virgin coconut oil has so many uses that I think every house should hold a big jar of coconut oil. Now, I don't mean a tiny little jar of coconut oil, I mean a big jar. Here are 16 uses for virgin coconut oil. What? Why 16? Well, it could have been 15, but I've just discovered another one that is just mind-blowing. So here they are. Number 1. Coconut oil is a great oil to cook with as it has a high smoke point. It is also great for baking and a dairy-free replacement for butter. Number 2. Added in smoothie. This is actually my husband's favorite must add on any smoothie ingredient. He will hold me accountable if I do not add it. It gives a richness to any smoothie and makes it creamier. Number 3. Have you tried coconut oil in coffee? It melts great in hot coffee and it gives a great flavor and it makes it creamier. Number 4. If you love mayo but tried to stay away from it due to the sunflower oil in it, well, you are like me. But I've seen this recipe on the internet with 2 yolk eggs, lemon, mustard, olive oil and coconut oil. I'm definitely gonna try this recipe. What do you guys think of it? Number 5. Coconut oil is great for oral health as well. In the morning, I like to take a mouthful of coconut oil and do what is called oil pulling. I add a few drops of peppermint essential oil sometimes and swish it around for about 20 minutes. While I like to make a smoothie or just read something, then when you spit it, make sure to spit it in the bin and not the sink or toilet, as it may get it clogged. Number 6. Makeup removal. Coconut oil is an excellent makeup remover. You just need a cotton pad with a bit of coconut oil and it will remove all your makeup. Number 7. Coconut oil can also be used as a basic body lotion. You can just simply apply it straight on your skin, on your hands, body. It is a great moisturizer. Number 8. Of course, it also can be used in a body butter along with other ingredients. And if you want to see this, just check the channel for the recipe. Number 9. Cuticle softener. Yes, coconut oil will soften your cuticles straight away. Just apply it on your cuticles at night and use it regularly for best results. Number 10. It can be used as a lip balm, either on its own or in a more fancy lip balm recipe. Number 11. Body scrub. The simplest way is to mix coconut oil with sugar or salt and use it as a body scrub. But you can also mix it with other ingredients and make a more fancy scrub. If you want to see this kind of recipe, just check the link below the video. Number 12. A natural whitening toothpaste, of course. This is actually what started me into making my own homemade products. Coconut oil, even on itself, it will clean teeth really well and leave a clean breath and whiten teeth. You can add the other ingredients that I'm using in the recipe, but I started with just coconut oil on a brush. You will be amazed if you have never tried it. Of course, remember, this is not your regular toothpaste, but it's an amazing way to brush your teeth. Number 13. Homemade hair mask. You can use it just on its own. It's great for dry, damaged hair. Start at the tips and work your way up to the roots, or add an egg to it and apply from roots down. I prefer the second option as I do not have dry hair. Number 14. It can also be used for wood furniture. Just add a bit of lemon and coconut oil and it will clean and give a great shine to the wood furniture. Number 15. It is also a great conditioner for leather sofas. After cleaning the leather with vinegar and water mixed together, just add coconut oil to replenish the natural oils and rub off the excess oil and you're done. And number 16. Now in 2010 there was made a study in the UK that tested the effectiveness of coconut oil for head lice, and they found that coconut oil and anise spray had 82% success rate, while permethrin had only 42% success rate. Isn't that amazing? That's it guys, I hope you find this interesting and get to love coconut oil just as much as I do, and make sure you always have it in your house. Thanks so much for watching, and as always I love reading your comments, so feel free to write below. See you guys soon. Bye!